In today's video, I will walk you through how to authenticate your sender email on Shopify. Start by going to the Settings section of your Shopify account. You can find Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access your store settings. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Notifications option and select it. This section contains the email notification settings for your store. After opening Notifications, you'll see various notification-related settings. Locate the Sender Email field. This is where the email address used for your store communications is displayed. Click into the Sender Email field and enter the email address you want to use as your sender email. Take a moment to make sure the address is entered correctly before continuing. Once you have entered the sender email, look for the option labeled Resend Verification and click it. This will trigger the verification process for the email address you just entered. After clicking Resend Verification, head over to the inbox of the email address you entered. Watch for a verification email sent by Shopify. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the verification email once it arrives. Inside the email, follow the instructions provided by Shopify to verify the address. Complete the verification process exactly as prompted. After you confirm the email address through the verification message, Shopify will recognize that the email address has been verified. This confirms ownership of the address and allows Shopify to use it as the sender email for your store communications. Once the verification is completed, return to Shopify if necessary and confirm that the sender email has been updated successfully. That's all you need to do to authenticate your sender email on Shopify. Open Settings, select Notifications, locate the sender email field, enter the email address you want to use, click Resend Verification, check your inbox for the Shopify verification message, and complete the verification process. After the email address has been verified, Shopify will use the authenticated sender email for your store communications. The process is quick, straightforward, and can be completed in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.